Work out the correct answer and mark it on the answer sheet. 23. Yusuf thinks of a number. His number is less than 60. When he divides it by 2, it has a remainder of 1. When he divides it by 3, it has a remainder of 2. When he divides it by 5, it has a remainder of 3. When he divides it by 7, it has a remainder of 4. What is Yusuf's number? The first thing we can do here is focus on the final statement. When Yusuf divides his number by 7, it has a remainder of 4. So first of all, think about all the multiples of 7 which are lower than 60. This would be 7, then 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49 and 56. But those are the multiples of 7, and we know that when Yusuf divides by 7, he has a remainder of 4. So we can now add 4 to each of those values. 7 plus 4 is 11. 14 plus 4 is 18. 21 plus 4 is 25. 28 plus 4 is 32. 35 plus 4 is 39. 42 plus 4 is 46. 49 plus 4 is 53, and 56 plus 4 is 60. We can eliminate 60 because we know Yusuf's number is less than 60. We also know that Yusuf's number is divided by 5 and leaves a remainder of 3. So that means we can eliminate 25 because if we divide 25 by 5, there is no remainder. If I divide 11 by 5, that would be 2 with a remainder of 1, so we can eliminate 11. If I divide 18 by 5, that would be 3 with a remainder of 3, so 18 could be Yusuf's number. 32 divided by 5 would be 6 with a remainder of 2. 39 divided by 5 would be 7 with a remainder of 4. 46 divided by 5 would be 11 with a remainder of 2, but 53 divided by 5 would be 10 with a remainder of 3. So now we have two possibilities. Consider another clue. When Yusuf divides his number by 2, it has a remainder of 1. 18 is an even number, so when we divide it by 2, we would have 0 as a remainder. That means 18 can be eliminated. But when I divide 53 by 2, I have a remainder of 1, because the closest multiple of 2 to this number would be 52. And when I divide it by 3, I have a remainder of 2. The closest multiple of 3 to this number is 51. So that means that 53 fits all of these criteria, and therefore that must have been Yusuf's number. And you can show the answer of 53 on the answer paper like this.